I'd like to know if you could do a flat shoe dazzling and shoe dropping this morning if you it's nighttime here. Look at my phone. I don't know what's the purpose of that. Hmm? Why you want me to do the task? Hmm? It's nighttime here. What's this watch doing? Hi. And you have black shoes. Sexy. Ang ganda mo talaga. Get your flat shoes on your evening out. I haven't flat shoes. Hi host. Hello, Nissan Pinoy of the Week. Shout out to you. Hi everyone. Good evening from Philippines. Hello mo. Sorry guys, I will delete the bad message. Maganda naman ni host. Hindi naman. Simple lang ako. Can we fly together there? Where we fly? Hmm? Pa-share ng live. Guys, please share my live. Hi to Echo Heda. Supply si host. Going to sleep. Ano if yung host pwede ma-add? Kapasa yun, Naomi Humaroling is my FB. Like, comment, and share. Hindi, nagme-makeup lang ako. Gabi na. Para maayos tingnan. Hindi ako prepare kasi kapatulog ako ng anak ko. Gusto ko lang mag-makeup sa harap ng camera. Yan lang, nakakilay, nakalipstick. Pinay. Malakas ang ulan dito. We have a rain. Can you stand? Please show some. I don't have shoes. Only sandals. Ako na lang. What? Ako na lang mo idol na sa about ng white Pico FB. Sa akin na lang, nandyan din. Kasi nakawala kong details sa card. Ikaw na lang mag-add. Hi Falcon, hi. Saan ka sa Pinasos? Sa Mindanao. Mindanao ako.